So, a few years ago, ChatGPT was rolled out, and it was a bit of a shock for the world. And then now, DeepSeek has been rolled out, and it seems to be something competing with ChatGPT. So, I think we might need to look into DeepSeek a bit. But I'm not much fond of running it online. So, I think we'll focus on getting it offline. So to run a model offline, we just won't use Ollama. I think Ollama DeepSeek R1. So I think we'll choose a model from here. I think I'll use maybe the 1.5B. Yeah, the smallest of models. So yeah, we might need this. So initially, we might need to install Ollama. So initially we'll check Ollama version. Ollama has not been installed. So we'll go to Ollama installation. So you might need to download it. Yeah, around 118. So, and the application is there. Okay. So, Ollama. The Ollama is also there. So run your first model, Llama 3.2. I'm not fond of Llama 3.2 now. So we'll focus on maybe DeepSeek. Yeah. So Ollama version is installed. Ollama is installed. So now we could run this Ollama run DeepSeek R1. So we could observe that DeepSeek is getting installed. So it has got installed. So yeah, we installed the smallest of models available, and let's say who is Elon Musk. Yeah, it's pretty much fast as well. And so we got that working. And also we will be able to get other models as well. And there are other models. Could observe coding, code V2 and DeepSeek V3 is also there. Bilingual tokens. So there are plenty of models here. So depending on our requirements, we might need to use one. So we just went for a reasoning model, And
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now